As we left off, we're going to head into office. Sadly,
do you like my mini revolver?
Our crew has died. Although, we might have somebody come back. If you remember from the last video that we posted on Monday, there was that one guy that said his headset is low, but he will join back in
my
like an hour or
battery's
so.
getting low.
So,
my time to
he might join back soon. Anyways,
Alright.
we're gonna head into office. And what are we gonna do there, boys?
Let's make stuff massive like this.
Is that a mini red flashlight?
Yeah.
That is the most beautiful thing I've ever
Look
seen.
at my revolver. Look at my revolver.
Alright.
Yeah,
Everybody,
look,
make sure
I got
you bring
massive
some sort of
RPG.
weapon, or else we're cooked. So let me grab my revolver.
Should I bring my mini pistol?
Hey, where'd the other guy go? Oh, there he is.
Wait, what we're gonna make big? What we're gonna make big? Should we make? Oh!
Hey!
Also,
Come here! Hands in the air! Hands in the air!
There's PvP.
I'm kidding. I made sure it wouldn't shoot.
Alright, good boy. This way.
Alright, I say we stay down here for a decent little bit before we go to PNG, because I hate PNG.
Yeah.
Also, who's killing Karen?
Oh, I am. I shoot real guns.
Oh, I see her!
Come here, Karen! Woo! Oh! Oh! Oh!
What'd you get?
You guys, am I
Yo, Coral, where are you at?
There's two key cards over here. And Bo, I got a new revolver out of here.
Yeah, I don't know where Coral is. I think you're the only one that's gonna be like through the entire part 1 and 2.
Yeah, we're gonna need some of these. Karen! Karen is back! Come at me! 200? 200?
Bro, got the 200 pump.
Let it go!
Bro, I need
Let
the
it
hip
go.
slots. Like, I don't got any research tokens right now.
They're so good. They're actually so good. Oh, it's a good. When you go to get rubber duckies, it's actually really good.
Yeah, I used rubber ducks with my friend. Here, come over here. I'm gonna go to the lava section so that we can get to the library. Oh wait, no. Does lava section lead to library? Actually, I think library is this way, right?
Are we talking about lava land or whatever?
Hold on.
We were
Yeah, there's
here?
library. Oh wait, what's this way?
Oh,
Wait, right here is the really good mining place.
Alright,
Or no, that's the elevator. Never mind. Don't go there.
let's go.
That's it.
Hey, come at me, Karen!
I don't think Karen is in the library. It's fine.
I got a lot of trash. Bro, can I say something for the vid?
Sure.
Slow. If you need friends, you don't go. They don't come to you. You go to them.
Exactly.
Like, bro, like. Oh, watch out! Gotta make sure that you're good, bro. Can't let some buddies fall.
Alright. Good mining place is this way.
Oh shoot. Karen is on my toes, bro. I'm for real, bro. They're all in my neighborhood, bro.
There we go.
ray gun and a camera
Oh my gosh.
and a tablet.
Bro.
Yo, that's insane luck right there, bro.
And still.
It leads down to mysteries.
No, this should just go back up to the place that we need to go anyway.
Mysteries. Wait, hold on. I'm getting ready. Hey, nobody come.
Yeah, this elevator leads to this place. The library that we were at earlier.
Hey, everyone, be careful around me, bro. I'm strapped. We go down here.
Bro, did you see that? I
What?
dropped the camera, and then I dropped my pickaxe, and then the camera bounced back up to my bag.
Alright, we go down.
This is when it starts getting scary. Hey, always be checking your mini-map to see if there's monsters nearby.
Over here.
If you see a red dot, that means there's a PNG. There's one right in front of us.
Hey, get your gun ready. Remember
There's a PNG to the left once you leave.
what happened to your booty. You're not
Left.
strapped. Come here. He's 200.
Good reaction, good reaction. Alright, look, look, look. This is the room, this is the room.
I know, but we need Ducky.
We'll get Dex later, I'm going in the room.
Boy, don't you have a pickaxe?
Yeah, I got a pickaxe.
No, let's just go and get duckies right now. I know the way.
Bro, I tried to shoot, but my gun wasn't cocked.
It's okay. I just had really good reaction time. Because I shoot BB guns in real life.
Am I in the wrong area?
No, this is the right area. Sometimes.
Hey, hey, hey. To your right, to your right.
Nice reaction. Nice reaction. I'm gonna open it.
Also, if you have like a glow stick, just throw it with it on. It's not gonna turn on. Bro, 2 duckies just went down.
I'm staying trapped so I don't get my booty clapped. Oh, I got some points from that.
Oh, nice. Alright. So, we're gonna...
No! Why?
You didn't stay strapped and you got your booty clapped.
No, it was that. I wasn't.
He just walked right past me.
I'm trying to, mine ducks. I'm coming back real quick.
This would mark the start of the Great Rescue Mission. You need to hurry up. He keeps walking by me. He keeps walking by me like a weirdo. And I got no revolver out right now. I'm actually cooked.
I'm coming back as quick, baby girl!
Hello there.
I'm coming. I'm so close.
Watch out, watch out.
They're right next to me.
The dude's gotta be close to you.
Shoot him.
I don't see him, I just know he's close.
He's right next to me. Turn around. I can see you on my radar. And I'll turn around. Despawned.
Stuff hasn't despawned yet. Hurry.
I'm here.
I don't see you.
Yeah, because I'm where the duckies are. I see myself. Wait, did you shoot at him?
I hit him with my pickaxe. I didn't shoot him. I'm just gonna hit him with my pickaxe. Hey. Just hit him with my pick. I'm gonna hit him with my pickaxe. He saw you.
Hey, bro, baby girl.
Let me explain my thought process right here. I look down at the ground and I see all of the stuff that he dropped when he died. One of those things is a revolver. Hoping that it has ammo in it, I'm prepared to leap on it, hopefully grab it in time, and shoot the monster. But we'll have to see if that works.
I know I'm handsome, bro, but like, you gay, bro. You straight?
As you can see here, that did not work. So, my new plan is to wait for him to walk away and leave the room. Then I will pounce on the weapon.
I think he's not straight, bro.
He looks demented.
No, he looks like he got overdosed.
How about as soon as you said that, he just stopped? So right there, I just realized his line of sight is a lot bigger than I thought. And I realized this rescue mission was gonna be way harder than I originally intended.
Bro, you saw my reaction timing? Ron, yeah, good boy.
This is when I realized it was my chance. The gun was right in front of me. That was the sound of me trying to cock the gun. What I didn't realize is that it was already cocked, and I just uncocked it. So now, we have a problem. The gun is not going to be able to fire, and I'm going to try and shoot this guy. As you can see there, I tried to fire, and it didn't work. But with my quick reaction speed, I was able to recock the gun and shoot him. So, you're gonna see that happen right now. Oh my gosh! Your gun wasn't cocked, he almost got me, but then I cocked it just in time and killed him.
Nice job, bro. My mom was at the front door. Hold up, check me real quick.
The rescue mission was successful, and now we can keep mining ducks. Here, wait, you brought 2 bags, right?
Is that a good flag? Hold up.
If he appears and I die, I'm blaming you.
Bananas. I have a grenade.
Wait, come
You're gonna die! You're about to die! You're gonna die!
I almost...
start going?
Watch out! Bro, he caught me off guard. I barely escaped him.
Alright, it's across the room too. Gotta be nice. Is the bar filled?
Oh yeah, it's full.
Wait.
Where do we put the cards?
Remember how we were mining over there for the green stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what we need. Do you have any? Pour out your bag. Did you pour everything?
Not yet.
Hello?
Not yet. Not yet.
Wait, what you're pouring in there?
Let me check the stuff I have in my bag. Oh, your big grappler's in. It was in my bag.
It's okay. It's okay. Thanks. Thank you for finding it. I wonder, what would this work? This picture? What is that? Yeah, put that in. That's good. That's good. That might work.
It's Max! Let's go!
Shoot, hold on. I need to get the rest of my stuff.
No. I'll go put the key card now. They gave us RPGs.
What? Yeah, it's actually kind of fire.
Yeah.
All right, well, let's head out to
Bread! Holy bread!
Why is that so massive?
It's bigger than the low chamber fate, bro. Wait, where are you?
Right here. Let's head out and record the outro.
Here, you can have this one. I already have one.
Wait, hold up. I'm coming back in. Which one?
Wait for me.
You can have this. I already have one.
What the? Give it.
It actually works, actually.
Bro, I'm gonna go into some lobby with that and everybody's gonna freak out. Hey, enemy to your left. Hiding in there. Let's try this up.
We have to go this way. Probably have to go this way.
Wait, where's the stairs?
Over here, just over here.
I think over here is a good one.
We just finished part 2. You're a bit late. We literally just finished part 2.
Like just now. 3 or now.
Should we make a part 3?
We can make a part 3.
You wanna go to sewer? You wanna do a manhunt for part 3?
You cannot go into public PvP servers with this out, or you're cooked.
No, bro.
Everybody's targeting you.
Exactly.
Stick 'em up.
Wrong one.
Boing.
Let's go to play.
Now I need RPG ammo just for this thing, bro.
I
gotta put this in my storage. Hold on, actually,
Wait, we're gonna go to planetarium.
I'm not gonna go down to the sewers with my bag. I'll just leave my bag in my storage.
Do you have RPG ammo unlocked?
Not yet.
No, bro, I just have the most massive things like low shaker face.
I got a blast, guys.
Bro, poor Coral was only in here for like 10 seconds.
Yeah, bro kept on
Guys,
dying.
I got a blast.
Golly! Mr. President, get down!
It's got a flintlock. Oh, you're back.
Yeah, I shot him! My headset died. I shot
That's
him.
what happened. Alright, so real quick,
goobers,
for the end of part 2, we're going and we're doing a quick sewers run. We're just basically gonna speed run sewers in a way.
We just finished office.
Yeah, and then
Going right back.
so we're gonna do a quick sewers run for the end of part 3, and then yeah, I'll get part
No, we're not doing
1 or for that part 2.
We're not doing
And I'll stay tuned on my channel. I might host a big scary code tomorrow.